morning, everybody. So we are going to do a quick painting this morning, and there's not a blue paint color in sight, which is very weird for me. We are going with more earth tones type colors this morning. This is a level 1 Artist Loft 18 by 24 stretched canvas, and it has been prepped with this Satin Enamels Sable or natural Sable color. It's just a feathered prep just to make sure our corners and sides are done. So our colors, we've got the metallic outdoor living rose gold and the metallic vintage brass. Satin Enamels neutral beige, and Satin Enamels natural Sable. And then we have our Americana Decor dark chocolate and our light buttermilk. No silicone or anything like that. I have to remember to put this buttermilk back in the container real quick, as much as I can. Okay. This is going to be a multi-cup flip. We're going back to the basics today. We've been doing a lot of tree ring pours and swipes and all that, but this morning we are just going back to the basics. All right, move all the paint out of the way. Bring the canvas up. All right, make sure I'm in focus. Let me fix that just a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get everything mixed up and get this done, and then I have to go get ready for work. we are going to leave it just like that. We have some beautiful cells going on here, and we've got some lacing and everything. So we are going to leave it just like this. I am going to bring you down for a closer look. All right. I'm going to get some macro shots of this one. I do have to go out to the studio and get my camera. All right, we are going to leave this just like this, and we will be back to figure out what we're going to do next. See y'all soon. Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm so excited by the way this one dried. Just all of the details stayed and everything. I'm just really excited about it. So we are going to go ahead and get this sealed. We are going to use the Minwax water-based polycrylic to seal it. After the painting was dry, I went ahead and did a coat of this Krylon spray lacquer. I find that it helps seal the paint, and it also gives the polycrylic something really good to adhere to, and so I don't get cracking when I use this as one of my base coats. The link is down in the description if you'd like to purchase some. We are also going to be using just a soft bristle 2.5 inch thin angled all paints and stains brush. We are going to do fine, thin coats, and I will probably do between 3 and 4 coats, just depending on how much shine I want to it, but I'm only going to film one. Once y'all see me paint it, it's kind of the exact same thing. So we are going to go ahead and get this painted. that is it. We are going to leave it just like that. I'm going to put it back on the drying rack so it can dry. But like I said, I'll probably do a couple more coats, but we are going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section, and I will do my best to get back to you. Down in the description, all of the paint colors used, as well as the mixture ratios and anything that you need to do this painting. Also in the description, links to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net, and also a link if you would like to help sponsor my channel. Stay tuned at the end of the video for the up-close macro shots, as well as the picture of the finished product. Thank y'all very much for joining. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and as always, God bless.